versus Hiccup the Good.
Oh, look at what we got here. This little bitch claiming he's a Viking, but instead he's a little shit. A first Viking to show mercy to a dragon. I wanna kill that little bastard and go on burning. You're a useless nobody. Nobody listens to you. I'm gonna sleeper hit your head until you turn blue. If not for dragons, Ashford would have overlooked you. I'll bust a coconut on your head like Jimmy Snuka.
Oh man, I can't believe you said that. At least your wrestling skills about as good as scat. My rhymes are sweet as what my mother sings. You're just some guy who wears a skirt to the ring. When you open your mouth, all we get is shit. And most of the time, it's in Piper's Pit. Not like you really know me, I bet you're just guessing. I'll kick your ass like Hogan in the cartoon rockin' wrestling.
I'll come down to your island and kick everyone's asses. You'll see reality if you put on these glasses. Too bad I'm over here, just burning your ass like your dragon and your daddy. Stoic the bad.
My dragons around here are very demandable, unlike your terrible Saints Row downloadable. I'm a Viking, bitch. I must do what I must do, just like you, taking the time to undress Gold Dust.
Who won? Who's next?